Hello and welcome to this video review where I'll be talking about the Logitech G715 TKL. It's a mechanical gaming keyboard designed for gamers who prefer a 10 keyless layout, which means it doesn't have a numeric keypad. This keyboard is packed with features that will make your gaming experience more enjoyable, so let's dive into the details. The G715 TKL features a sleek and minimalistic design that fits perfectly on any desk. It has an aluminum frame that makes it sturdy and gives it a premium feel. The keyboard is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. And the detachable cable adds to its portability. The Logitech G715 TKL comes with GL tactile switches that are rated for 50 million keystrokes. The switches provide a satisfying tactile bump and a smooth keystroke, making typing and gaming enjoyable. The keycaps are made of high-quality plastic and have a concave shape that helps with finger placement. The keyboard has RGB lighting, which means you can customize the backlighting to match your setup. The software has a lot of customization options, including per key lighting, which means you can set different colors for each key. The G715 TKL has a lot of features that make it stand out from other keyboards. It has 6 programmable macro keys that you can use to assign complex macros or shortcuts. The keyboard also has a game mode, which disables the Windows key to prevent accidental presses during gaming. It also has a USB pass-through port, which allows you to connect a mouse or another USB device directly to the keyboard. The Logitech G Hub software is easy to use and has a lot of customization options. You can create custom profiles, set macros, and adjust the RGB lighting. The software also has a heat map feature that shows you which keys you use the most, which can help you optimize your gaming. Overall, the Logitech G715 TKL is an excellent mechanical gaming keyboard that offers a lot of features in a compact and portable design. It has GL tactile switches, RGB lighting, 6 programmable macro keys, game mode, USB pass-through, and user-friendly software. If you're a gamer who prefers a 10 keyless layout, this keyboard is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful.